AY Live, complete happiness edition on Easter Sunday, powered by Maltina.
You feel louder? Say! Wait. Because time not today, we need to rush on. People say, somebody say, I got the fun. You say? I'm not fine. Why you take a personal? Now you're fine. When you do head like prayer point, now you're fine. That's what poor men they do. I was once like you, my dear. You know, that poor man I go there for church when they share testimony. Say I just bought a Range Rover Sport. You hear poor man? Nah lie. Now your testimony. You not go good at Nigeria. We dey do some kind of things we don't understand. So you know say that this country. Now you go to sell food. You know say your food not sweet. You dey go to that place they go shop. They leave your home. I enter 1E3. As I enter, if you hear shout, as I need rice, the waiter said I make you the shout. I said give me rice. The waiter said relax. Give me rice. After I don't shout, where? Now I said, what kind of rice you need? I said any rice. It's okay rice. I said give me rice. They said how much? Rice. How much? Give me rice. Give me 15 naira rice. For E3. The guy said we not the 15 naira rice. I said how much with your rice? He said I want 5. After they package everything. Money don't reach 3,000 something. I'm not talking. As they bring the food, as I carry this food, collect one like this. The thing not sweet. And I remember saying my money not reach the 3,000 something. I use opportunity, see raking. What kind of rubbish is it? What are you guys cooking here? I mean food, not concussion. What are you? Answer the rake. I said, in fact, I want to see the manager of this place. Where's the manager? As I the rake, the boy just said, now manager, they come for your back. As I turn back, manager will toothpick, they come from my side. I said, manager, what are you guys cooking here? What are you cooking? What kind of food is this? Now the manager looked at me and said, hey, you buy food? I said, yes. He said, you for tell me. I'm not the shop here. I go shop outside. You for tell me now. When you walk, I go for I go say, yeah, Sikira for front. So enter, you shop belly food. Now the way, how many of you don't say for Lagos here? If you go somewhere, now Lagos person not go no road. You go to show another person where no road. For Lagos, if you lost, no ask Yoruba man, or else you go lost more. Last 3 years, I dey go Yaba. I don't know Yaba that I see one Yoruba guy for bus stop. Only one just stand say, lonely. Mawani. Oh, lost in the government. Like say person send a walk. I don't walk and say, I say, boy, so mo lost in Yaba. He just look me say, Yaba. After like 1 hour, now look me, me or more. Why you not tell me since where they go before you won't confuse my life? Tell me since. Don't waste all my time. Yoruba people. And now I tell people, anytime you like woman and you not get money, not fear. Even though you don't get car, not fear. Be bold. The only thing when you need, just carry key. Any key. Toilet key, kitchen key, wardrobe key, key na key. Hold the key. Then when you get big voice. Women they like big voice. When you get this kind of voice. Hello, babe. Yes, now they use and play. They like however. Last 5 years when I never buy car, I call shop for a hotel. I not get transport to go Coco. I see one girl, she just stand on a hotel gate. They wait for a friend. Nigeria girls, and I won't nobody. Only you go just wake up on Monday, only you want asking you. Who do you? And they come and I see one of my fans. She wanted me to say, I love your jokes. Now she won't tell me. Tell me where. I should just see better now. Oh my God! For my mind, I was turn out to him better. What will be your problem? I'm not talk. I just see the girl she posts. Unless she the blow breeze. Get away carrying low cut. She still do like this. I mean that I say you go get a dick or you go get a dick. Yes, she then I walk out go meet her and they walk out like this. I don't get her. But you can key. What did she hear from back now? Hello, baby. She shocked. Now she talk. I continue. I said, what is your name? She said, my name is Tracy, but you can call me Trey Trey. I continue. I said, baby, are you going my way? Guess no 1 year. She don't even know the way. Even when Bible daddy talk and say, I'm the truth. They don't want to know the way. She just asked me, where do you park? Now do like this. Down there. Down there, not the address. Now then we start walking from the hotel with the walker. We don't reach CMS. Fear nothing make her ask me, say, where is your car? We dey go. Now when we reach Orile, now the girl say, where is your car? Now I say, my sister now Coco, we dey go so. Oh Coco, now you love Akpororo, scream! And now because the way the matter be, I dey tell people now they say Akpororo. Some say he's a fast rising comedian. Some say he's very tight. Some say he grew up from this one. Some say he rise up. I don't come. Someone they speak English say he came out from nowhere. Who they come from nowhere? I thought they suffer since. And my time to collect that is my blood the hot. I don't want to. I die follow anybody. So you need to know. Nobody they come from nowhere. I thought they suffer since. People know. Hungry beat me. Not be play. You know, get the way hungry go beat you, go look silly. Silly go be like cake. Hungry beat me one day. Well, let me see now fast. Hungry beat me. I walk, I come and they look my friend neck. As I they walk, they call my friend, they walk, they go back. And they call me, they go back. He not tell my friend, I call on Nami, Gale, Nami. I say, thank God, say you talk, oh. Because for my high, you be talking, oh. The wife will take bite your neck. Not be my fault. You love Akpororo. Shout! And now, I dey rush am because no time. And now, I like worry people. Area. You know why I like worry people? Worry will not dey carry last. Now for worry that go thief your fowl, use and cook soup. Call your pikin make us up. So that when you swear, the swear go kill all of them. With the sabi package things. Yeah? Now go there. Worry now the thief fowl, they chop fowl small, best fowl. As the fowl go outside, they'll cut one of his legs shop. The fowl go come out like this. Worry now that they pee fowl fade down. When they never put water for fire. Fowl never die. They peel them. One guy thief fowl, they peel them for kitchen. Try the fowl, they say, go. He reach up there, the fowl talk, what did I do? Carry knife, cut my neck, now they keep me like Sabi Jesus. People blood they hot. I may not now use corn, take fowl. Raise your hand here. All things are passed away. You use corn, fowl before. I'm not saying you must thief. I don't look you since you be like, yeah. One guy, anytime one fowl go put corn, line down. Line at a kitchen. The fowl said go come at the shop. As he enter kitchen, don't look up. Fowl don't die. The guy don't they do him. The guy will worry fowl where they look at every time. One day not see fowl thief again, don't see that they worry fowl. He called line put the other kitchen, the worry fowl said the shop. As the fowl reach the kitchen door, now the fowl look the guy. Now the fowl say, I'm not going to enter. No weapon formed against my life shall prosper. And now, you know say, This country now, people they talk. Nigeria, yeah, and they tell people, and they walk out say, I see policemen for checkpoint. I tell my friends, I see, if I run past now, all these police go run for me. He said they like, I said no joke, if I run past, they go follow me. He said I lie. And before he said I lie, I don't pass. As I pass, in under these 2 minutes, I hear some noise for them when I look back at TPO. What trust and secret? We don't run for 1 hour now. Stop the breath. DPO run come my front. Now DPO look me say, young man, why are you running? As I just feel like to run. The DPO say you feel like waiting. As I feel like to run. Now the DPO say you are under arrest. I said for what? He said for illegal running. Then lastly now before I go, I'll see you again. I remain at Bororo, the commander with too much swagger, too much anointing, you understand? Eh? And that's so the matter be. Some people now they say Bororo, they do like madman. Say this boy not crazy, this boy not madman, this boy. See, I know man before. Money I not get. Since why crazy, I dey get money. So why you they help me to pray? Is it your prayer point? I'm not the number, even God know. The only problem I get now, I make my pikin not be like me. I go be my pikin, just wake up on morning, look me say, Daddy. I go be, now the only problem I be that. Yeah. I go just talk this one come out. And they tell people, men of God, if you read your Bible, well, you need to take care of them. Because if you not take care of men of God, like people know they pay tithe. After pastor don't pray you. If witch press you for midnight, you call pastor. You go look at not the people. Because you not read the tithe. So then the table, if you sow seed to a man of God, like maybe you pay tithe of 1 million. As you give her the envelope, when this year, what you going now? Ra! Re! Ke! So! Ta! Ro! Ratatelete! Now you go say, Pastor, tell me that. He said, I talks. Go down on your knees as I pray for you. My God will increase you. He will enlarge you. My God will rise. You. That one at 1 million. But when you give man of God 10 billion as tithe, he go dance all the dance. Where you know, as you open the Ghana must go. As Pastor Sia, what you going now? You're not going to hear anything, no? What is it, my son? My son! My son! Stand on your feet as I go down on my knees to pray for you. God will increase you. God bless you. I remain at Bororo. Thank you.
AY Live on Easter Sunday. Watch out.
Welcome to Forstview Luxury Hotel. At Forstview Luxury Hotel, we offer excellent service. Our rooms have all the necessary facilities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24-hour power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charge. So what are you waiting for? Quickly visit Forstview Luxury Hotel. We are located at number 1 Adeline Obamishile off Raji Rasaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo, Odofin Festac, Lagos. For more information or reservation, please call us on 08075787135 or 0809990 0601. You can also take advantage of our online ongoing promo at www.4zhotel.com to make your reservation and payment for your favorite room, which attracts a discount rate. Please note, rooms are reserved based on first come, first serve. 4Z Lovely Hotel. Experience the home of comfort. They come.